Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Search for Add or Remove Programs and click on it. Click on Search Apps and write Rockstar. Find the Rockstar Games Launcher and Rockstar Games SDK. Click on the three dots and click on Uninstall, and do this for both the Rockstar apps, including the SDK. Click on the three dots and click on Uninstall. Go to the game folder, open the Redistributables folder. Run the Rockstar Games Launcher installer, and after that, run the Social Club setup. Go to Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open the Social Club folder. Find the Cache folder, select it, right-click it, and click on Delete. Now open the internet. Search for Rockstar Games and open the page. Click on the profile icon and click on Sign In and log in into your Rockstar account. After you have logged in, click on your profile icon again and click on Log Out. Now press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon and write CMD. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Write ipconfig space bar and flush DNS and press Enter. And close the command prompt. Now restart your computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.